Hi, this is Jeff from Aquabot Products, and today we'll be unboxing the Breeze XLS. The Breeze XLS is a great cleaner. It's great for in-ground pools. It comes with a 2-year warranty. It cleans your pool floor, cove, and partial wall. It's actually low maintenance as well. First thing you'll notice we pull out is the power supply. Simple on and off button, and 2 cleaning cycles. Next, we're going to pull out the manual. With the manual included is the warranty registration card, which you can fill out at aquabot.com. It should take you no more than 5 minutes. Also in this bag, we have a flotation kit. So, should the Breeze XLS not climb as high as you think it should, you can always install these flotation kits to help it along the way. We don't think you're going to have to, but just in case. Next, we're going to pull out fine filter inserts. The Breeze XLS filters down to 10 to 20 microns on the default. However, by using these filter inserts, we can filter even finer to approximately 2 microns. This is great if you have a lot of sand in your pool, algae, things that wouldn't normally be picked up by the standard configuration. So let's pull out the cleaner and go through a couple of points. Besides the Breeze XLS being a nice looking cleaner, it has some great features. First, it comes with a 50-foot cable and a swivel, so that helps prevent cable tangling. We recommend this cleaner for pools that are about 40 feet in length. 2 top-loading filter baskets. As again, we said 2 cleaning cycles and power washing jets. This will help loosen stubborn dirt and debris if your pool has a calling for that. We also have 2 agitating brushes and 2 large filter intakes. This filter basket is one of the largest that Aquabot produces. And again, here is the swivel. One last feature we can talk about is the non-marring wheels, so you don't have to be worried about your pool cleaner ruining any of your brand new vinyl installs or any of your newly plastered pools. And that is the Aquabot Breeze XLS.